Assalamu alaikum and welcome my friends to my new video. Today we will learn that why a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So today we will prove it geometrically. So for understanding and proving this, I have taken a square here and the length of this square is a from its all sides. The area of this square is a multiplied by a square. What about the area of this whole square? To calculate the area of this whole square, there are two methods to find the area of this square. So the first method is side multiply by side. If I multiply this whole side with this side, then I can calculate the area of this. So the second method is that first of all we will find the area of this square, a multiply by a. After that we will find the area of this rectangle, a multiply by b, and the area of this square. In the last, the area of this rectangle. If we have found all those areas, then we will add those areas and we will get the area of this whole square. Using second method, I have used the formula a is equal to s multiplied by s. Here s is equal to a plus b. The length of this square is a, and the breadth of this rectangle is b. So here I have added this rectangle in that square. So that's why I write here a plus b. Similarly, for this length, we will use this a and b. So for finding this whole length, I will add this a with b. So this side becomes a plus b like this. So this s is equal to a plus b and this is s is equal to a plus b. Now I have found these both sides. Now I can find easily the area of this square. So a is equal to s, the value of s is a plus b and the value of another s is also a plus b. So I will multiply a plus b with a plus b. So my answer will be equal to a plus b whole square. So this is the area of a square, that is the left hand side of our. You can see that this length is same for all its sides. Here this a, b, so a plus b. Here b, a, so for the whole length a plus b, so a plus b, a plus b. Now for proving right hand side, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, I will use a condition, that is to find the area of all those rectangle and square and add these squares and rectangles to get the area of whole square. First of all, I will find the area of square 1, s1, that is side multiplied by side, and here s1, the side of this square is a multiplied by a, so s1 will be equal to a multiplied by a square. Similarly, the second is rectangle, so here I will label r1 and using the formula length multiplied by breadth for finding the area of this rectangle. So r1 as it is, putting the value l, and the value of l is a, and multiply by b, and the breadth is b. So r1 will be equal to a into b. Now the area of second rectangle, r2, length multiply by breadth, r2 as it is, putting the value of l, and here l is a and breadth is b. So r2 will be equal to a multiplied by b. Okay, now in the last I have a square, so we will find the s2's area, that is s multiplied by s. So s2 as it is, so the value of s is b multiplied by b, so here s2 becomes b square. According to the second condition, after calculating all those areas, we will add all those areas for calculating the area of a whole square. So the area of s1 plus the area of s2 plus the area of r1 plus the area of r2. Here the value of s1 is a square and the value of s2 is b square and the value of r1 is ab and the value of r2 is also a and b. And a square as it is, you can see that ab plus ab, these are like terms, so they will add with one another, a plus b plus a plus b, it becomes 2ab, and here it is b square. And here you can see that I have proved a square plus 2ab. So this is our left hand side, that is a plus b whole square, area of a square, and this is our right hand side, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here you can see that the area according to the first condition was a plus b whole square, and area according to the second condition was a square plus 2ab plus b square, and you can see that these are equal and the formula has also a lot. If you have any queries or problems, you may ask or leave your comment. शुक्रिया।